Hi, I'm your L'Oreal Professional Educator, and it's time to elevate the art of hair repair with two products from Series Expert Absolut Repair Molecular. It is developed with more than 3% peptide bonding and 5 amino acids. The Absolut Repair Molecular concentrated pretreatment can instantly restore the hair fiber and bring softness to the hair. By applying it lengthwise to the wet hair before layering the shampoo, the concentrated pretreatment strengthens the hair at the molecular level from the cortex. It is a concentrated treatment to repair the hair elasticity and strength. The Absolut Repair Molecular Mask is the perfect addition to satisfy fine and thick hair with its extra light texture. This new mask is applied to wet hair after the rinse-off serum. It is designed to instantly penetrate the cuticle and offer 5 times more movement and 5 times more strength to the hair. The concentrated pre-treatment and mask complete the Absolut Repair Molecular range to repair and restore the damaged hair. It fights 2 years of damage in only one use. I invite you to use the Absolut Repair Molecular full protocol in your salon.